Welcome to our video, Busy Professionals. We know that juggling a hectic schedule can leave little time for house cleaning. But don't worry, we've got you covered. Today, we'll share with you our top 5 cleaning hacks that will help you maintain a clean and organized home, even with a packed schedule. First up, we have the 15-minute cleanup. It's amazing what you can accomplish in just 15 minutes. Set a timer each day for a quick cleanup. You'll be surprised at how much you can get done, and it won't feel like a huge task eating into your busy day. Our second tip is all about prevention. Placing doormats at all entrances and making a rule to remove shoes can significantly reduce the amount of dirt and dust in your home. This simple hack can save you a lot of cleaning time in the long run. Thirdly, we recommend investing in cleaning tools that do the hard work for you. Consider a robotic vacuum that can clean your floors while you're at work, or a self-cleaning litter box if you have pets. These tools can be a game changer for busy professionals. Our fourth hack is to clean as you go. Don't wait until the dishes pile up in the sink. Rinse them off and put them in the dishwasher right after use. The same goes for your laundry. Small, consistent efforts can prevent big messes. And finally, our fifth tip is to delegate. If you live with others, make cleaning a shared responsibility. Even kids can help with age-appropriate chores. And if it's within your budget, consider hiring a cleaning service once or twice a month to do a deep clean. Remember, keeping a clean home doesn't have to be a time-consuming task. With these hacks, you can maintain a tidy living space without sacrificing your precious time. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tips and tricks for busy professionals.